Okay, we're going on an adventure. You want to go see your cockatiels? You want to go see the cockatiels, Tjinimin? Go on, Tjinimin. Sorry, this is so dark. There's Maui. Maui, a good mate. Okay, stay in here. Stay in this area. You want to go home? You want to go home? Come on. I'm going to get Ina to sweep this. Hey! Chango and Yachi. No. Hey, Rish. Hey there, Rish. You gonna go walking, Risha? You don't walk. These guys walk. Hey, Tiki. Hey, Tiki. Gonna come say hello? And here's everybody else. Yachi, you behave yourself. Here's Chula, Shaka, Manike. So eventually, once Tjinimin's off the meds, I'm going to move the his special cage in here, and he'll be able to socialize with his cockatiel friends. Isn't that right, Tiki? It's pretty obvious that Maui's his best buddy here. Hey, Tjinimin! Tjinimin! Some of the birds are pretty sloppy. The seeds get on the ground and the cockatiels go foraging for them.